I think we all understand the priorities for cervical cancer. Improving vaccination rates is a key component of this program, but strengthening screening and diagnosis and improving access to care. We're only able to do this because of the collaboration initiated by Rotary, supported by the Ministry of Health and the family planning teams, which have excellent infrastructure in this country.
Good thing is we have our system in place. We could certainly do anything to improve health of people. If you really detect early, then it can be preventable. I am here only to thank MJF Foundation and then Rotary and my predecessors who joined in hands to actually safeguard our women's health.
HPV DNA පරීක්ෂණ සඳහා අවශ්‍ය සාම්පල් ලබා දීමක් සිද්ධ වුණා. ඒක ඩොනේෂන් එකක් විදිහට. ඒ කටයුතු සඳහා තමයි ජාතික පිළිකා මාර්ගන වැඩසටහනේ සහභාගීත්වයට මම සහභාගී වුණා.